Dave English Podcast. Subscribe, like, comment, share.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Dave English Podcast. I am so happy you are here today. My name is Dave, and today we are talking about something very important. We are talking about small habits. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Dave, I want to improve my English fast. I understand. But here is the truth. Big progress comes from small actions. Every day, little by little. You do not need to study for 5 hours a day. You do not need to memorize 100 words every night. What you need is simple, small habits, done every day. That is the secret. Today, I am going to share 10 small habits with you. These habits are easy to start. They fit into your normal day, and they really work. So, let us begin. Habit number 1. Listen to English every morning. Start your day with English in your ears. It does not have to be long. Even 10 minutes is enough. You can listen to a podcast like this one. You can listen to a short YouTube video. You can listen to a song in English. The key is to do it every morning. Before work, before school, before your day gets busy. For example, maybe you wake up and make coffee. While you make your coffee, you play an English podcast. You are not even studying. You are just listening. But your brain is hearing English, and that is very powerful. Listening every morning warms up your brain. It helps you think in English faster. Habit number 2. Learn one new word every day. Just one word. Not 10, not 20, just one. Every day, pick one new English word. Say it out loud. Learn what it means, and try to use it once that day. For example, today your word is grateful. Say it. Grateful. It means you feel thankful for something. Then, during the day, you use it once. Maybe you write in your notebook, I am grateful for my family. That is enough. One word every day is 365 words every year. That is a lot of new vocabulary, and it never feels too hard. Habit number 3. Talk to yourself in English. This one surprises a lot of people, but it is very helpful. When you are alone, use English. Talk to yourself about your day. Describe what you see around you. Ask yourself questions and answer them. For example, you are washing dishes. You say to yourself, I am washing the dishes. The water is warm. I am thinking about my day. Today was a good day. No one can hear you. There is no pressure. You can make mistakes, and that is fine. This habit helps you think in English. It builds your confidence slowly. Habit number 4. Write 3 sentences in English every day. Just 3 sentences. That is it. Every day, write something small in English. It can be about anything. Your breakfast, your plans, how you are feeling, anything. For example, today is Tuesday. I had rice and eggs for breakfast. I am feeling a little tired today. That is 3 sentences. Maybe 30 seconds of writing. But when you do this every day, your writing gets better, your grammar improves, and you start to feel more comfortable with English. You can write in a notebook. You can write in your phone. Anywhere is fine. Habit number 5. Watch one short English video every day. Not a long movie. Not a 2-hour documentary. Just one short video. 5 to 10 minutes. Find a topic you enjoy. Cooking, travel, sports, animals, science, anything you like. Then find simple English videos about that topic. For example, maybe you love cooking. You find a short YouTube video about how to make a simple recipe. The person speaks in English. You watch, you listen, you learn new words, and you enjoy it. When you enjoy what you are watching, learning feels easy. It does not feel like studying. That is exactly what you want. Now, I want to stop for just a moment. If this episode is helping you, please take 1 second and hit the like button. It really helps this channel grow. And if you want to keep improving your English every day, please subscribe to the Dave English Podcast. I post new episodes regularly to help you on your learning journey. Okay, let us keep going. We have 5 more habits. Habit number 6. Repeat after native speakers. When you listen to English, try to copy the speaker. Say the words the same way. Match the speed. Match the sound. For example, you are watching a video and the speaker says, "Have a great day." You pause. You say, "Have a great day." You try to sound just like them. This helps your pronunciation a lot. It also helps your brain hear the natural rhythm of English. English has a special music to it. Repeating after native speakers helps you feel that music. Habit number 7. Read something in English for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. That is a very short time, but it is very effective. Read something simple, a short article, a beginner story, a few pages of a simple book, the news in easy English, anything. For example, there are websites that write news in simple English. They use short sentences and easy words. You read for 5 minutes before bed. You learn something new about the world, and your reading skill gets better. Reading every day helps you see how English sentences are built. You start to understand grammar naturally just from reading. Habit number 8. Say good morning and good night in English. This is the smallest habit on the list, but I love it. Start and end every day with English. When you wake up, say to yourself, "Good morning. Today is going to be a great day." When you go to sleep, say, "Good night. I did my best today." It sounds simple, but it creates a connection. English becomes part of your life, not just a subject you study, a language you actually live. Habit number 9. Review your mistakes. This habit is very important. Most people skip it, but it makes a huge difference. When you make a mistake in English, do not just forget it. Write it down, then correct it. Then read the correct version 3 times. For example, you said, "Yesterday I go to the store." But that is not correct. The right sentence is, "Yesterday I went to the store." You write the correct sentence. You say it 3 times. Now you remember, mistakes are not bad. They are your best teachers. When you review them, you grow faster. Habit number 10. End your day with 1 English sentence about your day. This is a beautiful habit, and it is so easy. Every night, before you sleep, think of 1 sentence in English, just 1, about your day. For example, "Today I learned a new word and I used it at lunch." Or, "Today was a long day, but I listened to English in the morning." That is it. 1 sentence. It helps you reflect. It helps you practice. And it gives you a sense of progress. You feel like you are moving forward. Because you are. So, those are your 10 small habits. Let me say them one more time. Quickly. 1. Listen to English every morning. 2. Learn one new word every day. 3. Talk to yourself in English. 4. Write 3 sentences in English every day. 5. Watch one short English video every day. 6. Repeat after native speakers. 7. Read something in English for 5 minutes. 8. Say good morning and good night in English. 9. Review your mistakes. 10. End your day with one English sentence. None of these habits take a lot of time, but together they are very powerful. Day after day, week after week, month after month, your English will grow. Now, here is my question for you. Which habit from this list will you start today? Just one. Pick one habit and start it today. Tell me in the comments. I read every comment, and I love hearing from you. Before I go, I want to say something important. Learning English is a journey. It is not a race. You do not have to be perfect. You just have to keep going. Every small step counts. Every small habit matters. Be patient with yourself. Be kind to yourself. And trust the process. You are doing something wonderful. You are learning a new language. That takes courage. That takes effort. And I am proud of you for being here. Thank you so much for listening today. This is Dave, and I will see you in the next episode. Take care, everyone. Goodbye.
Dave English Podcast. Subscribe, like, comment, share.